So far, everything's been working perfect on the boat, so I know I just jinxed it. Evening. It is September 21st. Here at the boat. Been up here actually since about a little before 6. The media room air conditioner is working well. I want to get the office and master bedroom air conditioner going, so I'm gonna open up the seacock here and open this up. Now we'll fire those two air conditioners up and let them run. And my goal is to let them run through the night, doing what they're supposed to do. And then we'll check the water down here and make sure everybody's behaving themselves. Oh, I need to turn the breaker on back here. Oh, I could throw the hot water heater breaker on too. So we have hot water for a shower later. So there's that guy on, and we'll really be sucking the power down here in a moment. Okay. The hot water heater and air conditioner in the back should be available. Let's see. Okay, that guy has power, that guy has power, and that guy has power. And it's probably turned off here. Do it to 78. Okay, there's the bedroom on. Let's take it down to 76 here. This guy's now blowing. Doing good. 79. It's super cool. 78, 77. So yeah, it's just come to life. So anyway, we're gonna let those guys run. And I'm probably gonna do maybe a little bit of cleaning. Quite a bit chillier than it has been in the past. Let's see what it's at. And what's this guy doing now? 71. So he's definitely, I'm sure if I shoot down in there, yeah, 68. Okay, so he'll be cooling nicely. Let's see what our power draw is. Bet you we're 7-8 kilowatts at least. You know? Huh. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Only 6 right now. Anyway, that's all I got for you tonight. Later. Good morning. It is September 21st. Both air conditioners seemed to run just fine last night. It's 76 in here. Feels quite comfortable. It's a little chillier in here. I think this was set to like 75. First order of business is to get a lot of this mess cleaned up. I also want to put the covers on those, put some loom on the wires, and secure the wires and get those items all cleaned up. Let's see what the temperature was in here. So in here right now, yeah, it's 75, and that's what that thing was set to. It seems to be doing just fine. After cleaning, I'm going to install ducts, and the current plan for ducting is going to be to take this wonderful piece of ducting and secure it to this underside, and then have it where the duct comes out somewhere up high over here, and then blows air back this way. And then the master bedroom, I'm going to first build a Plenum box, which will be within this space here, and from that we will then have a duct that will run into this room, run along the ceiling line up here, and then come out the closet up here, and then we're going to have a duct right up here in the closet, and another Plenum box basically, which will blow air this way. And then on the other side of this is the ductwork will go this way, go in there, and we're hoping to have a duct make it into the hallway, a duct to the back side of the bathroom there, and then finally a duct into the equipment room. That air conditioner is going to go from there over to here, and we'll use one of the drain lines there, and we'll use the window there for its exhaust lines, and that way this room will start getting some air. And then I'm hoping to also straighten up this mess a little bit. That's the plans for this weekend. See if I can get any of it done. So far everything's been working perfect on the boat, so I know I just jinxed it. Later. Okay, so in my process of cleaning up, I came across that I have not yet installed the little guards that go on top of all the rails in there. So I'm going to shut all this stuff down, get in there. I can also clean up the wires a little bit, and then I'll clean up all the wires that are around here and put the covers on. Then I'll sweep out. There's screws and stuff that I want to pick up that go inside. So now the other AC unit has shut off, so we will go actually turn it off. Point. There it goes, it turned off, pump is off. So we'll kill it, and then we'll go kill main power. Later. Okay, so all that area is now cleaned up. I also added loom to all the wires up to that point right there. But what's interesting is this thing, because it was off and we got so much rain coming down right now, we're getting just lots and lots of condensation right now. So definitely need to get the Plenum box on there. I was waiting to get the water to go out the drain line here, so I've tilted it this way so that it will force the water to go that way. That's kind of where we're at. I'm going to break for lunch and then start on ducting afterwards, which will solve some of this problem. Here's our Plenum box material. The Plenum box is going to set on top of this unit right here, and I'm going to make a hole at some point over here. I'm going to start sizing everything up for running those and setting this up. This is going to be kind of winging it. Get that cut in, then bring it up, and I'm hoping to use some of the Plenum box material to build a box up here. Got the box built. There's the bottom to it. There are the sides, and that's the top. My next thought is I need to attach to this assembly here, and there's not like a whole lot of room. I'm guessing that maybe they made a flange, or you could buy, I know you could buy a Plenum box for it, but it had a whole bunch of little bitty openings, which I didn't really want. So I have my big box now, which one side's going to go up against here, and the other side's going to go this way. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to drill, make maybe 3 holes here and 3 holes here, and then put pieces in that of the sheet metal right here. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to bend that over, and then it'll be screwed on here, the 4 sides, but I'll tape it on the inside. So if I ever have to remove it, just undo the tape, bend these guys up, and then lift the box off, and I can do what I need to do. So that's my plan. Later. Okay, there I got some holes. Okay, now we will just bend that guy over. Okay, so I've made the 4 panels. Now I am attaching them to the box. That's looking pretty good. Okay, I like that. I think that'll work quite well. And now I can put a little bit of tape right here and here to kind of seal that, but the tape's not the main thing holding it. These guys will get bent over a little bit, and then the tape will be inside. I guess I got to build the box, because once I have the box, I can put it on here and already have its circle cut out and have its circle. They're both going to be on the back side, so we'll move over yonder and do the box construction. But I do need to find another screw, and so I will do that and be back later. I did find the 3rd screw for that. As you can see how far these stick. It was just very, very close to the edge of that thing. Off to build the box. I already have this guy somewhat assembled. He's going together nicely. What about I don't even know if I'm supposed to use that on this. I'm sure somebody will tell me I'm an idiot in the comments, but hey. Okay, so that. Now the real fun. Put this guy through now. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yep. There we go. Okay. Go. Cool. Okay, I have a Plenum box, or the start of a Plenum box. So you can see where that's going to come through there. Easier to cut it from in here. Okay, so now we have something that tape might stick to. And let's see if we can get this to go back on now. That unit's been running for a while. Put the box on. And now it's blowing air this way. And I also have it blowing in here. Oh my goodness, it's chilly in here now. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the water buildup. I gotta get a diverter built up for it. So I guess I am going to do that. The way this unit is set up, it's blowing air straight up, which is hitting this board, and then it gets kicked off to either edge. But supposedly when air hits a flat board like this, it rebounds directly back into the flow, and so now you have this wave going into it because of compressibility and whatnot, and so you end up not getting good flow. So I'm going to put some V pieces in that curved here, and that way as the air goes in, it'll come and it'll curve off like that. That's my goal. So first thing we're going to need is, pretty cool. Try gluing this to the fiberboard. Somehow lay this on here. It's on! Quick, seal it up. Say we got this finished up. Did get this duct. That's not the way it's going to be. The vent's going to be right there, so I need to add straps to that. That's going to go up into the corner like that, so there'll be a chase over this and then over here. Later.